Hello, my dear friends. Today it's our second dictation about Russian numbers. So now you know what to do, yeah? You need a piece of paper or notebook and a pen or pencil to write down numbers. I'll call number 2 times and you write down only number, yeah? Then after all dictation, I'll repeat all numbers one more time, and then you can check yourself to see all correct right answers under this video. Let's start. 5, 5, 10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 20, 33, 33, 52, 52, 74, 74, 96, 96, 107, 107, 48, 48, 69, 69, 81, 81, 11, 11, 19, 19, 12, 12. That's all. Now please check yourself. I'll name all these numbers one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 33, 52, 74, 96, 107, 48, 69, 81, 11, 19, 12. Hurrah! My congratulations! That's all. It's finish of our dictation. Now you can go and check yourself. See you in the next video about numbers. Bye!